Hello, this is Erica with By Clover and Crown, and we're going to go ahead and get right into the bargain bead box for August of 2021. So here we go. Open it up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this. This time, so I know I have some new subscribers. This time I'm going to do the bargain bead box maker mashup with Deb Haug, and she'll be putting down in the comments for her four, and I'll put in my 4 items that we're going to use in order to do like a creative challenge. And if you are interested in joining and recording a video of yourself making with the items that we decide to make with, then please go ahead and let me know down in the comments so that I can link your videos as they come out. So there will be a second video following this one that announces just which items. So let's go ahead and hop right in here. Oh wait, threw my paper away almost. So bargain bead box always comes with the identification key. So RO, I like the name of this one. So I have not seen the contents yet. I've been super busy. And also, if you notice, I've been not only tie-dyeing, but painting. So I kind of tried to paint my nails to cover some of it. But yeah, so I have not got to see at all what color palette. But I think I'm seeing either pink or red. Yep, a pinkish. So I like the Wildflower Meadow name. So let's see what items we get. I know last time everybody was a little bit concerned, and I don't think the box was a big hit last time, but this is already looking like a nice mix. Okay, so it looks like we've got some reds, some purples, some greens. So let's go ahead and get into our baggies and see what we've got. Ooh, okay. Very pretty. Here we go. So number 1 is 2-piece enameled butterfly pendants, antique silver. Ooh, I can kind of see some of these items, and I can't wait to see what Deb picks. So there we go. These are really pretty. All right. That's number 1. Number 2. Let's see. They're going to be bicones, so there they are. All right, a 15-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in a grass green. These are really gorgeous. Ooh. These colors are nice. I like the pink and green. Obviously, actually, I really like pink and green together, especially like a rose quartz or like a coppery pink and green. All right, those are pretty. Okay, that was number 2. I love bicones. Number 3 are 6mm. I bet these are it. Let's see. Maybe not. There we go. 6mm fuchsia agate round beads. These are dyed and heated. Okay, so a 14.5-inch strand. So that is a good amount of beads. Gorgeous colors. I'm going to show you the color there. These are pretty. Oops, some of them are a little orangey. Just that one. Nope, there's more. All right, so that's number 3. Number 4 is a 1 meter of steel jewelry chain. So a lot of times bargain bead box will include chain. And it looks like our color this time is silver. Usually it's either, you know, it's a metal. They usually have the same metal color. So this is a lot of chain that you get, which is nice. Wow. That's a lot. So a whole meter. There we go. So chain, that's number 4. Number 5 is a 30 by 20 8mm flower pendant in an antique silver. Okay. Beautiful. I like that. Looks like it's got a little bail here. So that's going to make a really gorgeous pendant. I really like what they've got going on here. This is definitely a summery set. All right, number 6 is 30 pieces of floral patterned scallop bead caps. So, oh, they're tiny. They're very small. 6.5mm. Sorry, let me. Okay, so bead caps. What's next? So I'm not going to take those out of the package. I'm just going to leave them like that. Number 7, 50 pieces of 4mm daisy spacers. These are so tiny. All right. Really tiny spacers. Sorry, for some reason, I'm not sure if my autofocus is off, but there you go. There we go. All right, so daisy spacers. Let's move that down a little bit. All right, number 8, 10 piece of 13.5 pressed glass leaf beads. So I bet these are it. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, there they are. I like these. I have these in blue and red, I think. Ooh, they're very pretty in green. Gorgeous. I love leaf beads. I don't know why. I really like leaf beads. I think it's because of how flat they lay against the skin. So those are nice. And a lot of times they kind of make a nice little slinky design. Really pretty. I really like the green and the pink. The quality of the green. It's not a dark green, and it's like a lime green and a fuchsia kind of to the eye. Okay, next is crystal rondelle beads in a light rose AB finish. I like an EB finish. So, is that fine? Yes, it is. Approximately 7.5 strand, and they're 8 by 6mm. Another great thing about Bargain Bead Box is you get a lot of different sizes of beads. So these are like very pale pink, which I hope they're showing up. My hands are very pinkish. My skin is very light with pink, so I hope that you can kind of see the color. I'll put them next to these pink ones so you can kind of see there. Okay. All right, and next we've got 10. This is a free extra. I don't know if that's happened before. Number 10, a free extra. 32 by 18mm glass rectangle pendant with a pressed flower. Oh, this is from Bead Box Bargains. So it's just an actual little thing, which is their sister site. Oh, I think it's 2 resin pieces like resined together. That's pretty. I hope you guys can see through it. I'm kind of trying to, there we go. That's very pretty. Okay, and it's got a bail also, so that's pretty. That was a nice extra, and it ties everything together. It almost looks like the theme is like made off of that pendant, so. All right, that was number 10. Now number 11 are double-sided daisy links. Last time I really loved their links, so let's see what we got this time. I do like the double-sided links. So, ooh, daisies. Daisies are one of my favorite flowers. Very pretty. They've got great shine to them. Yeah, this all goes. So last time I saw lots of comments that were worried that things were kind of not as cohesive. And this time I think they've really made a cohesive theme really clearly. Okay, so those are 16 by 10mm, and number 12 is going to be a 6 petal flower charms, and you get 6 of them. I think that's these. Yes. So charms. Great. Lots of metal, but also lots of color. These are very light. They're incredibly light. So what are these made of? Oops, sorry. They're lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. So probably pewter alloy. They're super light though. These are like probably as light as the bead caps, I'd say. So there's only design on one side of them, that's always good to know. Whereas like the daisy links, they are double-sided. Okay, good info. All right, next is number 13. 4 sets of dotted flower toggle clasps. They're great about, sorry about that. My phone must be on a special setting or something, because usually it lets me record as long as I want. But this time I'm having to record in separate sections. So these are toggle clasps. Ooh, these are cute. These are fun. So they're always really good about including chain and clasps. All right, so you don't have to use tons of your stash in order to make with this stuff. Okay, so here we go. That was the toggle clasps. We're on number 14, and these caught my eye immediately out of the bag. Number 14. 10-piece strand of 10mm floral porcelain beads. And look how pretty these are. I love these. I love porcelain beads. They really remind me of my grandma, like with their dainty design. My grandma loves things like this, and maybe I'll make her something. She hasn't been able to go to church too much, but she likes to wear things to church like this, little necklaces. She likes round beaded necklaces, and these are really pretty. So, all right, so this was number 14, porcelain beads. All right, next we've got number 15, butterfly charms and an antique silver. So these are 2 larger charms. A little bit like the daisies. They're one-sided, and they're just pretty antique silver charms. All right, number 16, lilac quartz dyed round beads. These are 10 pieces. All right, sorry about that. My card was totally full, but yeah. So if you would like to join the Bargain Bead Box Maker Mashup, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so that you know when my next video comes out, which will be what 8 items we're picking. So Deb's going to put her 4 down in the description box here. And you will definitely want to let me know if you're going to play along, and I will link to your video. And if you want to be my partner in choosing for the month of September, please let me know. If not, I do know someone was interested in maybe doing it again. But, so either way, we'll do it in September. But if you want to team up for a month, even if it's not September because that seems too soon to you, just let me know what month you'd like. And I hope to keep this going. So, all right, I will go ahead and put this all together in my box and organize it. And then I will be back very soon, and we will probably post our videos either next Saturday or Sunday or the following. So kind of what Deb wants to do. So, all right. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell. And if you already are following me, thank you so much for subscribing. And let me know if you make anything, and I'd love to watch your videos too. All right. Thanks.